In this video, I'll show you how to make money by promoting Clickbank products with free traffic. And this free traffic we have never talked about in any of our previous YouTube videos. So watch this video till the end and don't miss any crucial information that I am going to provide you in this video. If you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel, and if you think this video added some value to your life, then please do like this video. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. Firstly, you need to have a Clickbank account. And if you don't have a Clickbank account, you can simply visit to clickbank.com and click on start here and follow their step-by-step instruction, and you will be able to create your own Clickbank account within few minutes. Now in case if you are not able to create your own Clickbank account, then in that case you can simply visit to digistore24.com and create your account on digistore24. Now even if you are not able to create your own account on digistore24 by clicking on this register now, then what you can do is you can either join Warrior Plus or you can go with Max Bounty, and there are lots of other CPA network, affiliate network that you can join and start to promote different product and services by getting your unique affiliate link. But for this video's sake, we are going to use Clickbank. So if you can, then you should create your own account on Clickbank. Once you create your account on Clickbank, then simply log into Clickbank and you'll see somewhat this kind of interface. And if you see this kind of interface, then just click on this marketplace and then you will see somewhat this kind of interface. Once you see this kind of interface, then just scroll below and click on health and fitness. Now with the strategy that you are going to learn from this video, you can promote any product in any category, okay? But in order to show you, I am going to select this health and fitness category. Just select this health and fitness, and then you will see lots of offer at here. Now just rank this offer by gravity so that you can find which offers are making good amount of sale for their affiliate in real time. Now once you see various offers that are available inside Clickbank, now you can simply click on any of the offer that you would like to promote and click on promote button, and then just click on create hop link, and you will be able to get your unique affiliate link from Clickbank in this way. It is as simple as this. Now once you get this affiliate link, then what you can also do is you can select 2 to 3 other product in same niche. Like if this Exipure is about losing weight, then you can select other products that are related to losing weight, like this Icaria juice, T-Burn. You can select these products also and get your unique affiliate link for these products. Up to 3 it is best. But if you only want to promote one affiliate product at a time, then that's also fine. But you can easily promote 3 different affiliate products at one time with the strategy that I'm going to show you. But once you select your affiliate product for affiliate link for 3 different products, then what you need to do is you need to go to linktree.com. Sorry, it is not linktree.com, linktr.ee, okay? Or you can simply type on Google Linktree and you will be able to visit to this site, and you can create your free account on this Linktree, and you will be able to create your affiliate link with this kind of landing page with 3 different links, okay? And you can create like 5, 6, 7 different links here, but put just 3 links, okay, in this way. And it is extremely simple to create this kind of landing page inside Linktree. If you need a video tutorial on this, then you can easily watch any other YouTube tutorial that will teach you on how to create this kind of simple landing page inside Linktree for absolutely free, and you will be able to create this kind of simple landing page, okay? You just need to put this 3 affiliate link in this 3 section and give them good title by seeing the title of the offer itself, okay? For example, Exipure, the best weight loss pill. Icaria, what is this? Icaria juice, best juice to lose belly fat, or something like that, okay? You can write those things and create your Linktree link. And once you create your landing page with these 3 different links, then you need to think about the traffic source. Or in case if you only want to promote one product, then just get the affiliate link of this product and simply go to bit.ly.com and sign up for free and create your free account inside bit.ly and create a short portion of your affiliate link, okay? That is called short link, and it is also extremely easy to do. I have shown this in my this a lot in my previous YouTube videos, okay? And if you need a guide, then I would suggest you to watch any other tutorial on how you can create short link on Bitly, which really takes you like 10 to 20 seconds to create a short link, okay? So now up to till now, what you have got is either you have got a certain link of one affiliate product, or you have got a link of 3 different affiliate product. Now it's time for you to drive traffic to either this Linktree landing page or the affiliate product from Clickbank that is sorted inside Bitly. Now to do so, you need to visit to a specific site that is called d.tube. Now this is the site from where you can get lots of free traffic to your affiliate offer, and I'm going to show you exactly how. But firstly, let me show you the similar web status of this website. It receives a monthly visit of 402k, and most of the visits that's come from United States to this site, and United Kingdom. India also is a top contributor for this site. So you are going to get maximum amount of traffic from United States. And if you see here closely, this video was uploaded 4 hours ago and it has already received 1.2 million views. Similarly, this video was uploaded 5 hours ago and it has also received that much views. You can check out these videos. Now of course you are not going to get this amount of view instantly, but if you keep on working on this site, then soon you will start to receive some good traction and get good volume of traffic from this site to your affiliate offer. And I am going to show you exactly how in a step-by-step process. So firstly, so simply visit to d.tube and then just click on this button, okay? Not this login, just click on this button. Now you'll see this kind of interface. So you just need to click on this sign up, no account, sign up on d.tube. Now you'll see this kind of interface. So you just scroll below and click on start. Now they'll ask you your date of birth and email address. Just fill it quickly. Once you have filled this, then just click on this next. Now you need to click on this I am not a robot and click on this send email. Now they will say we have sent you an email, check your mailbox and click on the verification link. So now let's quickly go to our email address. So as you can see, I have already received the verification email. So let's click on it and click on this verification link. Now you will see somewhat this kind of interface. You can link your FB account and you will be able to get this VP, which you can use to promote your videos inside this d.tube. Now you don't need to create your own video, okay? Don't get confused about creating your own videos. If you don't want to link your Facebook account, then that's fine. If you link it, then you will get rewarded by these things as you can see here. But for now you can just click on skip. Now you can verify your phone number at here, or you can skip it. You can verify it, okay, and you will receive this kind of reward. But for now I am skipping. You can verify it. Now you'll see somewhat this kind of interface and you need to save these keys, okay? And for that, what you can do is you can simply open your notepad and keep your keys in this way, okay? Put it in the safe place. And once that much is done, then just click on I understand that my private key will be unrecoverable if I lose it, and just select this also, I have a backup of my private key safety, and then just click on confirm. Now you will see this kind of interface where you need to choose your username. Now make sure your username is related to the products that you are promoting, okay? For example, in my case I can put weight loss desire 01, okay? You need to put 2 digits also, as you can see here. That's why you need to give this kind of 01021213, okay, in your username. And once you keep this kind of username, then you can simply click on choose username. Now you'll see this kind of interface, and if you don't have, I haven't linked this Facebook and this phone verification, that's why I haven't gained this kind of voting power, okay, and DT point. So you can opt into this, or you can leave it as it is and then click on create my account. Now you'll see this kind of interface where it says congratulations, welcome weight loss desire 01, you are now a YouTuber. You can watch this video to learn more about this platform, or what you can do is you can just click on visit my channel and you will be able to visit to your channel. Now just click on visit my channel. Now you'll see somewhat this kind of interface. Now you just need to click on this login so that you can log in and upload a video in this channel, but you don't need to create this video by yourself. Okay, just click on login. Now you'll see somewhat this kind of interface with you. So you need to put your username at here and the key at here. So you just need to put the username that you have created just before, and then you need to put your private key at here. So let me quickly fill this. Once you have filled this, then just click on this login, and then you can just click on this save. Now you are logged in inside your channel. Now you need to upload the video content, and it is extremely simple with DTube to upload video content. Okay, just simply click on this icon at here, and then this site provides you an opportunity to upload direct videos from third party. Okay, so for example, you can literally paste a link from YouTube at here and your video will be uploaded at here. So to do so, you just need to select this third party, and then you'll see this kind of interface. Just select YouTube, and now you need to put the video URL at here, and I'll show you exactly how you can find the video and put the URL at here. In order to get the video URL from YouTube, just go to youtube.com and just type weight loss or fitness or keto weight loss, whatever you want to type, you can type, and just go to this filter and select this Creative Commons. Okay, once you select this Creative Commons, then you will see this kind of list of videos that you can use for absolutely free without being worried about getting copyright strike or something like that. In case if you want to become more safe, then what you can do is you can use this Creative Commons text that is that says licensed under Creative Commons Attribution 3.0, and you can give the videos link of the original video in this way. Okay, and for any copyright concern, contact us at your email address. You can put at here. So if someone finds this video to be removed from the platform, then they will contact you in this email and you can remove a video for them. In case if you want to be more safe but you don't need, okay, so just select any of the video that you see here, and make sure to not select this video like that shows ad at here. Okay, because these video are not in Creative Commons. So whichever video you want to put that is closely related to your affiliate product that you are going to promote, and then just select that video and right click on and just click on copy link address, or you can open it and copy the link. Now you can easily go to DTube and paste your URL, video URL in this way, and just click on this next, and then within few seconds you will see everything is pre-populated in this way: thumbnail, video, title, description. Okay, and you can make some changes at here if you want, and right before the first paragraph just put your link, okay, your affiliate link at here. So in this way you can simply put your affiliate link at here by giving a text that can attract people. Best way to lose 10 pounds in 1 week, and then put your affiliate link at here. Now you can either put your link from bit.ly here or from Linktree. Now there is nothing much that you need to do instead of changing this text and link right after first paragraph, and then you can just increase this BP. Okay, the more BP that you are going to use, as you know, I think we have just 20 BP, so that's why it is only showing up to here. But if you have 1500 BP, you can use that. Voting power, it is voting power. Okay, and then you can just click on publish video so that you can get fast views to this video. So that's why it is extremely important to verify your email, phone number, Facebook account, so that you can get more VP and use this VP to promote this video. Now you don't need to select this NSFW and original content. You just need to increase this VP up to how much you want, and then just publish this video. In case if you don't have the VP, then you can also leave it as it is and publish this video. Now you can simply click on this publish video and your video will be soon published in this way. And then you can see someone have already liked this video or voted this video. This may be we have ourselves voted this video, but maybe other people have also voted this video. So in the description, if you check, you can see the title. In description you can see your affiliate link will be at here, and whenever someone watch this video and read this description, then they can click on this link and purchase the product to make you commission inside Clickbank. It is as simple as this to make money with Clickbank by using this absolutely free traffic source. Now of course, don't think like just by uploading one video you are going to make crazy amount of money. You need to keep on doing this repeatedly so that you can get more views, more eyeballs to this video and this link in order to make good amount of money in long run. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, then please do like this video, and if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. And if you are interested in watching more videos that are related to making money online, then I have handpicked some of my previous best YouTube videos that are related to making money online and kept all of those in the description of this YouTube video. You can check those videos, and I'll see you in my next YouTube videos. Take care, have a great life ahead. Bye bye.